Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by saving any unsaved work and disconnecting accessories that might interfere. Once done, confirm which iPhone model you have, Face ID or Home button. For Face ID devices, press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power slider appears. For older models with a top or side button, press and hold that solitary button to summon the slider. Make sure the screen is responsive before continuing so you can drag the control. Now operate the shutdown controls. Drag the slide to power off control fully to the right. This is the standard, reliable method. If the touchscreen is unresponsive, enable assistive touch and accessibility earlier or use the hardware combo appropriate for your model to force the slider. Alternatively, open Settings, go to General, then tap Shut Down to present the same slider, handy when buttons are sticky. Make sure you hold steady and move deliberately. Half dragging won't complete. After sliding, wait 10 to 30 seconds so the device fully powers down and background processes stop. To turn it back on, press and hold the side or top button until you see the Apple logo. Release and let it boot. If the phone refuses to shut down or the slider won't appear, force restart using the model-specific button sequence. This clears temporary freezes. If that still fails, charge the phone for a few minutes and try again. Low battery can block normal shutdown procedures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.